India has made significant strides in positioning AI as a leading development tool. To leverage the full potential of AI, the government is also creating an ecosystem through strategic policy interventions. However, to access India's readiness to drive widespread social impact, the government must address key areas including technology infrastructure, research capabilities, skills development, regulatory environment, and the establishment of ethical AI guidelines. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. AI could address dual goals of economic and social value creation and recovery. EY India's latest report titled Realizing AI for All in India underscores the necessity for sustained policies and emphasizes the pivotal role that government intervention can play in fostering the beneficial utilization of AI technology. The report outlines key policy considerations aimed at expediting AI development and ensuring its democratization. These include revitalizing telecom investments, catalyzing an open data ecosystem, fostering research initiatives, implementing ethical AI practices, and reforming education to meet the demands of the AI era. Emphasizing the government's crucial role in steering extensive AI implementation, the report outlines six key considerations to position India as a hub for AI, which includes number one, open data ecosystem, that is, promote sector based data trusts and platforms for collecting and sharing data. Number two, revive investments in telecoms infrastructure. Number three, promote AI research and AI center of excellence. Number four, establish AI clusters for rural innovation. Number five, implement ethical AI frameworks. And number six, promote public awareness of AI and reform education. With this strong foundation, AI has the potential to democratize access to healthcare and education, unleash creativity, and create numerous entrepreneurs. This report helps to shape the dialogue on realizing AI as the force to unlock the potential of billions of Indians. Let's look into today's headlines. Amazon working on AI-driven overhaul for Alexa voice assistant with paid plans. Amazon.com is reportedly working on an artificial intelligence-driven overhaul of its Alexa voice assistant while planning to charge a monthly subscription fee to offset technology costs. The online retail giant is said to be launching a more conversational version of the voice assistant later this year as it aims to position Alexa better to compete with AI powered chatbots from Microsoft and Alphabet's Google. Ola completes shift to Krutrim from Microsoft's Azure. Ola founder and CEO Bhavish Aggarwal said that the company has successfully moved its entire workload from Microsoft's Azure to its own cloud platform, Krutrim. Agrawal's announcement of Ola shifting its workload from Azure to Krutrim came after Microsoft-owned LinkedIn removed a post by the Ola CEO where he had criticized the platform's stance on gender pronouns. Ola's move may potentially lead to a loss of over rupees 100 crore for Microsoft in India. Ericsson announces software toolkit to bolster 5G standalone network capabilities. Ericsson India has introduced a new software toolkit to enhance 5G standalone network capabilities and support premium services with differentiated connectivity. This portfolio upgrade comes in response to the increasing demands on network capacity and performance due to new use cases and higher mobile user expectations for 5G quality. The toolkit is aimed at helping communication service providers deliver high-performance use cases that require high throughput, reliability, and low latency. Truecaller partners with Microsoft to let its AI respond to calls in your own voice. Truecaller is reportedly partnering with Microsoft, which will allow customers to use its AI-powered assistant to answer phone calls in their own voice. Through this partnership, the Swedish company will be able to use the Raymond Giant's personal voice technology introduced in November as part of Azure AI Speech. Truecaller's assistant, available to paid users, will be able to replicate users' voices in order to greet and respond to callers. WhatsApp working on AI-generated profile photos. As part of the latest WhatsApp beta version, the messaging app is reportedly working on adding a new AI feature which will allow users to generate AI-generated profile pictures. The tool might show up within the Pencil or Edit tab inside the profile picture settings, or it might have its own tab similar to avatars. The tool will function exactly like stickers, allowing the user to describe the desired image to generate it. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.